So today we're going to my old high school to go play catch. We're waiting for the bus right now. After I graduated, they started building more fields back there. This is actually all rainforest. Here it is, Singapore American School. Apparently we can't go in and practice without a coach, which my brother was like, okay, just say, I mean, you are an adult. And I was like, yeah, but I don't look like an adult. I still look like I attend this high school. So we're just gonna go to the field in the woodlands to go toss. Okay, we finished throwing. Gonna go get lunch now. So this is steamed chicken rice and an iced tea. This cost me, I think, $5 Singaporean dollars total, which is like $3 US. All right.
Ow!
What happened? Was that on purpose? No. We're done eating, so we're gonna go home and play Minecraft. This is where I made my very first short film, May 2019. Made that film with my friend Atharva. I've been making films since I was 9, but that was like what I would consider my very first like actual short film. Filmed that on a Blackmagic Ursa Mini, and if you think about it, that was only 3 years ago. And I've done all of this filmmaking in 3 years. Like, that's not the greatest amount of time, so just think about like where, by the time I graduate college, I'll be another 3 years. Imagine where I'll be. Isn't that weird to think? He's not good, he's not good. I'm gonna die though. Oh wait, no, I'm good. Not good. Whew. We're going out to get Japanese barbecue now. It's actually my brother's birthday.
Cal, I have one request.
What?
Of your video.
Yeah, what is it?
At any point in the video, you have to play Super Idol.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Super Idol, don't we need it? Super Idol, Super Idol 的笑容don't we need Super Idol 的。
We have finished all of this food.
No. Bro, no, refilm. Bro, I was using my chopsticks the wrong way. Please think that you're gonna think that I'm stupid.
Come on.
Hey, stop content farming, bro.
Content farming? I don't do that.